this class, I will discuss about the shortcut to find center of the ellipse, whose general form is ax square plus by square plus cx plus dy plus e equal to 0. The center of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is 0, 0. Similarly, the center of x minus h the whole square divided by a square plus y minus k the whole square divided by b square equal to 1 is h, k. We do not have direct formula to find the center, whose general form is ax square plus by square plus cx plus dy plus e equal to 0. So, I am going to tell you a shortcut for this type of problems. To find the center of the ellipse, whose general form is ax square plus by square plus cx plus dy plus e equal to 0. To find x coordinate, differentiate the coefficients of x square and x. Then equate the value to 0 and solve the equation to find the value of x. Similarly, to find y coordinate, differentiate the coefficients of y square and y. Then equate the value to 0 and solve the equation to find the value of y. For example, find the center of the ellipse 4x square plus 16y square minus 24x minus 32y minus 1 equal to 0. To find x coordinate, differentiating 4x square minus 24x, we will get 4 into 2x minus 24 equal to 0, which will be x equal to 3. Similarly, to find y coordinate, differentiating 16y square minus 32y, we will get 16 into 2y minus 32 equal to 0, which will be y equal to 1. Therefore, the center is 3, 1. Moving on to the next question. Find the center of the ellipse x square plus 4y square minus 4x plus 24y plus 31 equal to 0. To find x coordinate, differentiating x square minus 4x, we will get 2x minus 4 equal to 0, which will be x equal to 2. Similarly, to find y coordinate, differentiating 4y square 24y, which will be 4 into 2y plus 24 equal to 0. Then we will get y equal to minus 3. Therefore, the center is 2, minus 3. Moving on to the next question. Find the center of the ellipse 16x square plus 4y square minus 32x minus 24y minus 12 equal to 0. To find x coordinate, differentiating 16x square minus 32x, we will get 16 into 2x minus 32 equal to 0, which will be x equal to 1. Similarly, to find y coordinate, 4y square minus 24y, it will get 4 into 2y minus 24 equal to 0, which will be y equal to 3. Therefore, the center is 1, 3. Thank you.